Deep in the heart of China, above the Three Gorges, nature presented an impossible challenge.
To connect Wushan to the world, engineers had to do the unthinkable. They planned to build an airport not in a valley, but on top of a mountain. The project, Chongqing Wushan Airport. The goal, flatten the sky. The plan required cutting the peak of Taohua Mountain and filling the surrounding valleys. In April 2015, the mobilization began.
Over 800 machines were summoned to this high-altitude battleground.
An army of 2,000 workers gathered to reshape the Earth.
This peak stood at 1,800 meters. It had to come down.
The rock was too hard for machines alone. Explosives were the first step. Precision was key to ensure safety at this altitude. With a thunderous roar, the demolition of Taohua Mountain began. Millions of cubic meters of rock were shattered in seconds. As the dust settled, the Iron Legion moved in. The monumental task of earth-moving had officially started. The strategy was cut and fill. We take from the peak to fill the abyss. Drivers worked in shifts, navigating dangerous, narrow edges. It was a continuous conveyor belt of steel and stone. Creating a flat surface at 1,771 meters required bravery. The mountain never sleeps, and neither did the construction.
Month by month, the sharp peak began to flatten.
Every meter of elevation change was calculated with precision. Some sections of the mountain fought back with solid granite.
Dust was a constant companion in this high-altitude desert.
Deep caverns were filled with millions of tons of blasted rock.
Stability was crucial. The filled ground had to be as hard as the mountain itself.
Dynamic compaction ensured the foundation would never sink. Modern technology guided the raw brute force of the machines. Weather at this altitude was unpredictable. Heavy rains turned the site into a quagmire, stalling progress.
But the team adapted, carving drainage channels instantly.
As the sun returned, the engines roared back to life. Slowly, the chaos of rocks began to take the shape of an airport. The rough excavation was nearing completion. The tolerance for error here was measured in millimeters.
What was once a jagged peak was now a massive plateau.
Now, the deep roots of the infrastructure had to be laid. Concrete flowed to anchor the future structures to the rock. Human hands refined what the machines had started. Every weld had to withstand the freezing mountain winters. The stage was set for the 2,600-meter runway. First came the subbase, layers of crushed stone. Layer by layer, the runway strength was built up.
Compaction creates the density needed to support 70-ton aircraft.
Quality control inspectors verified every section. Then came the black gold, hot asphalt.
A precise mix designed to resist high-altitude freezing. Working in echelon to ensure a seamless surface.
The heat was intense, but the focus never wavered.
Rolling the asphalt while it was still hot was critical.
A black ribbon began to stretch across the sky.
For the parking apron, concrete was chosen for durability. Thick slabs of concrete to hold the weight of parked jets.
Leveling the concrete required synchronized teamwork. Proper curing ensured the concrete reached maximum strength.
As the sun set, the skeleton of the airport was complete.
Next, the nervous system. The lighting and navigation aids.
Thousands of lights would guide planes through the mountain fog.
Miles of cabling were buried safely underground.
High-tech navigation systems were installed at the runway ends.
These signals are the invisible lifelines for pilots.
The signature white stripes were painted with precision.
Designation 06-24 was marked on the asphalt. Every line followed strict international aviation standards.
The runway was ready for action. Security fencing was erected to enclose the site. Weather stations were set up to monitor the mountain winds.
The drop-off at the end of the runway is breathtaking.
Foreign object debris, FOD, was meticulously removed. The terminal building began to rise from the concrete. Heavy steel beams were lifted to form the skeleton. Fearless ironworkers connected the frame. The design mimicked the surrounding mountain peaks.
Glass walls were installed to offer passengers panoramic views. bringing natural light into the 3,500 square meter hall. Inside, the rough construction turned to fine finishing.
Power and data systems were woven through the ceiling.
Conveyor belts were assembled to handle 1,200 tons of cargo.
The passenger experience was being crafted piece by piece.
The identity of the airport was finally raised. The control tower, the eyes of the airport, stood tall.
Installing the voice that would guide the planes.
Greenery was added to soften the industrial edges.
Access roads and parking lots were finalized.
Connecting the cloud airport to the towns below. The dust of 6 years was finally wiped away. Safety systems were rigorously tested.
Security checkpoints were brought online.
Before the big jets, the calibration flights tested the instruments.
The construction army began to pack up. The machines that moved a mountain were heading home.
Silence fell over the peak, waiting for its opening day.
August 16, 2019, the day of the grand opening.
The operational team stood ready to take over.
The first commercial flight approached the mountaintop.
Pilots call it the aircraft carrier in the clouds.
Touchdown at 1,771 meters.
A ceremonial welcome for a historic achievement. Travelers stepped out onto the roof of the world. A testament to Chinese engineering and determination.
Where there was once only rock, now there is flight.
Serving the Three Gorges, connecting history to the future.
It opens the sky to Wushan and Fengji.
From a jagged peak to a gateway of the skies. 6 years of struggle, millions of tons of earth, resulting in one of the highest airports in the region.
Runway 24 is open for business.
A beacon on the mountain.
Lighting the way through the clouds.
This is the Chongqing Wushan Airport.
An engineering marvel above the clouds.